So second day grand opening for Guzman's and Gomez Mexican Kitchen. This is the first grand opening location in the USA. They have location all over Australia, Singapore, and Japan. But this is the first one in the USA, so we get to try it. How lucky are we? So this is the ordering station. Place your order. There's the fountain drinks and the salsa station. So this is all the sauce from the salsa bar. Mayo, smoky chipotle, habanero is the extra hot, is the habanero. Cilantros, wet onions, and pickled jalapenos. That's the burrito. Come with fries. And I have the burrito bowl. Let's open it up. Look at that. And I asked for spicy chicken. And it comes with chips. And guacamole is extra. So inside the bowl I have rice, spicy chicken, salsa. And I add guacamole for extra. And it comes with chips. Inside the burrito, you have rice, beans, tomato, and a spicy chicken. It's kind of like Chipotle. Okay.
You just don't get to make it as you go. They just make it in the back.
Yeah, the difference from Chipotle is you can make it in the back of the kitchen.
It's not an assembly line. It's a.
There's no assembly line like Chipotle.